Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure the Oppo A78 5G is unlocked and has sufficient charge. Open Settings and go straight to About Phone. This is where the system identifiers live. Once there, find the entry labeled Build Number or Software Version. This is the toggle target for developer options. You do this because Android hides advanced features to prevent accidental changes. Now position your finger ready to tap repeatedly. The next step is a pace of taps that the phone recognizes as intentional. Tap the build number 7 times in quick succession. You'll see a small countdown or progress indicator. When prompted, enter your device lock PIN or password to confirm it's you. This secures access to sensitive settings. Once accepted, the system displays a short confirmation like "You are now a developer." This unlocks a new Developer Options menu. Make sure to back out to the main settings screen so you can find developer options in System Settings or Additional Settings. That's where the tools now appear. Open Settings, go to System or Additional Settings, and tap Developer Options. Switch it on using the top toggle. Enable only what you need. Common choices are USB debugging for ADB and disable animations for faster UI testing. Avoid OEM unlock unless you understand bootloader risks. Once done, back out and reconnect cables or tools to verify functionality. If developer options won't enable, restart the phone. Re-enter your lock credentials or clear settings app cache. These steps usually resolve permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.